Hi, my name is Natalie and I work for the North Wales Children's University. And a few months ago, you became a member of the Children's University where you were challenged to collect stamp codes by taking part in different types of extracurricular and volunteering opportunities. I wanted to remind you of the many ways that you can get your stamp codes and, most importantly, hit your target and be part of our next graduation ceremony. Our graduation ceremonies are lots of fun. We have special guests, gifts and cake, and I want to see as many of you there as possible. So first of all, you'll be receiving a Holiday Challenge newsletter soon. It's packed with easy, creative and fun ways for you to gain codes. In the past, we've asked young people to complete activities such as going for a walk and drawing a map of where you've been, making your own fidget toy, cooking pancakes and watching a movie. Although don't be fooled, I still want you to do some work. I want you to review the film or theatre show. So why not invite some friends round and watch your favourite film and let us know what it was and what you thought of it. On our dedicated activities page on our website, you'll find even more activities to do. You can find previous holiday newsletters here, and for all of the newsletter activities, you simply need to send evidence of what you've done to our email address, which is on screen, or the email address listed on the newsletter. If you need help, please ask your parent, your carer or your teacher. We also have activities from Mentor Iaith and short courses from OpenLearn for you to complete. We will be adding more activities from North Wales organisations here over the next few months, so please keep on checking back. You may also remember that on the Children's University website, under the Get Involved tab, there's a section called Activities to do at home and online. Under Children's University Challenge Sheets, you'll find loads of activities to do from the Children's University Trust and other children's universities across the UK, including East London, Blackburn and Essex. You are also looking out for this poster in and around your community, and when you see this, it means that the organisation displaying it is a learning destination. That means they're a part of our network and they have stamp codes to give out. The best way to find learning destinations is to go on the website and click on Find an Activity, because more and more learning destinations are joining us each week. You can search for activities in your local area, activities you can do online, or you can search by entering a keyword. And of course, there are also activities on your dashboard from your school or community group. So don't forget to log in and scroll down to the bottom. That's where you will find the activities added by your teacher or group leader. Did you know that on your dashboard you can even record an activity without a stamp code? Simply click Record an Activity, select No that you don't have a code, then enter a name, a short sentence on what you did, click Continue and follow the instructions. You can choose to record a place you visited, a book you read, a film you watched, or something completely different. Your teachers or group leaders will also be sharing new opportunities with you, such as events that we or learning destinations are holding in your community. We'll send information to your teachers or group leaders to pass on to you. There'll be opportunities for you to get involved in our youth forums and our promotional videos, and for all of these, you'll get a stamp code. Your parents or carers can also follow us on social media, where we will post pictures, activities and events from our learning destinations, as well as competitions. I hope you are enjoying your time with the Children's University, and if you have any questions, get in touch.